Hello everyone. Today we find ourselves in the Japanese Village Plaza in Los Angeles. We're going to walk around, look at the shops, have a meal, and maybe buy a few souvenirs. Okay, we found the place we're gonna eat lunch, and it's this place, Daikokuya. I think I'm saying that right.
Daikokuya.
Let's try it again.
Daikokuya original noodle rice.
I think it's Daikokuya.
Daikokuya.
I don't know, but this was highly rated on the internet, so we thought we were gonna try eating here.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. I think the food's gonna be pretty good.
Alright. Take a picture.
I ordered the Daikoku Ramen, and Net ordered the teriyaki pork belly rice bowl. They brought us soup, salad, and my Japanese beer. What did she say that was? And then my dish came, which was the Daikoku Ramen. Those are ramen noodles in their pork bone soup base, along with their own blend of soy sauce that they make there. It also has a homemade pork belly with tea seed, marinated boiled egg, bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, green onions, and some sesame seeds. It was really good. Net ordered the Chashu Pork bowl. It's their own recipe of pork belly that's grilled and served over rice with green onions, pickled ginger, and a sweet glaze sauce over the top. That also was pretty good. You have a lot of choices here for places to eat, and lots more shops also. You can plan on spending a good afternoon here. After we finished our delicious meal from the restaurant, we decided to walk around and explore. Little Tokyo is also called Little Tokyo Historic District. It is the largest of the 3 official Japantowns that they have here in the United States. And all 3 of the Japantowns are in California. The other 2 are up in Northern California, one in San Francisco, the other in San Jose. The one here in Los Angeles is the largest of the 3. We had a great time here, and we're definitely going to come back to this restaurant and try some other ones. And then we discovered the photo booth and had some fun taking some pictures.
That's it.